This is CSS in 60 seconds. By default, HTML is pretty ugly to look at, so we use CSS to spruce it up a bit. I've heard CSS can be a little frustrating, but it's also super powerful and way faster to render than JavaScript if you know how to use it. To create a CSS file, just create a file with the extension .css. And to link that file in your HTML, you'll need to include it in a link tag. Inside that file, you'll write rule sets, which are a combination of selectors and declarations. Each selector is used to target one or more elements in HTML, and can select elements by type, by class, or by ID. And each declaration is used to change the style of all the matching elements. For example, if I have a button in my HTML, I can use the button selector to target it and change the background color, the border radius, the box shadow, and I can even give it some fancy hover or animation effects. Selectors also cascade or override each other, meaning that a more specific selector will override a less specific selector. This has been CSS in 60 seconds.